VidIQ tutorial for beginners. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you around VidIQ, which is basically a keyword search platform for your YouTube videos, which is going to rank your YouTube videos by giving the best SEO solutions for you. So let's get into it. So as you can see, VidIQ I have opened here and designed to boost your YouTube views, get free insights and guidance to keep your YouTube channel growing. So this is their main page and you can see around what's happening. You can see the reviews from people. You can see how it boosts your views and what the solutions it provides to you. So you can just go on and check that out. Let me show you the pricing plan of VidIQ. And other than that, the features are daily ideas, my coach, keyword tools, competitor tools, channel audit tool, and all features. You can also use VidIQ for TikTok by clicking on this option. You get an extension of VidIQ, Google Chrome extension by this option. You can get the blogs. You can see the monetization, subscribers, analytics, and everything in the blog. And you can also see the community, YouTube channel, and Tube Talk podcast of that as well. So let me show you the pricing plans. So first one is the basic, and you can get started for free into the basic one, and it is for the people who are new to YouTube. The other is a pro version, and you can get more analytics and research keywords by this plan, and you can get started at 7.50 per month, which is very minimal. So the recommended one is the boost one, which increases views on new videos, and it starts at $39 per month. And the max one is basically group coaching. It starts at $79 per month, and you can see the other features of those as well. The accessibilities, daily ideas, video IQ, to keyword engine, competitor tracking, trend alert, support academy. So you can see in which plan you're gonna get these and which plans you doesn't get these ones. And you can see the Chrome and Firefox extension, video scorecard, most viewed videos, keyword search tool, etc. You're gonna get this in the other three plans, but you're not gonna get this in the free version. You can get the websuite, you can get basic video analytics, best time of the day dedicated to SEO analytics, channel white tags, etc. here as well. So you can see you can get them. You cannot get all of these for the basic one, but they are available for the pro and boost and max as well. In the my coach, you're going to see a live group coaching, unlimited access to previous recorded sessions, and exclusive creator community access. And these are all only accessible by the max version for here. So you can basically go on and get the one that suits you better, that you want to use, and you can get started with it. Go back and click on log in if you already have an account, or sign up with Google to get a free account started, and you are good to go. I'm just gonna get started with Google, and let me show you guys what happens next. Okay, so this is the main page that I got after signing in, and here you can see add my keywords. Keywords help us to tell us about your channel and videos so that we can provide the most relevant insights to you. So for example, my channel is about cooking, so I'm just going to add my keywords as cooking. Let's say if I get any keywords for that. Okay, cooking videos, cooking show, ASMR cooking. I'm going to add all of these three, and then I'm going to add let's say recipes as well, because that is related to cooking somehow. So I'm just going to add recipes, and okay, pasta recipes, easy recipes, food. I'm just going to add these three as well. Okay, so after I'm done, you can add a couple of keywords after. You can see cooking, okay, Gordon Ramsay recipe, Jamie Oliver chef, street food, yes, Uncle Roger, TikTok, baking, let's say challenge, okay, master chef, how to cook. So these are all the suggested keywords that this suggested to me. I'm just going to add all of them, and I'm going to click on save. And okay, so this is basically how they got an idea of what my channel is all about, so they can suggest me good keywords for that. Okay, so for the daily ideas, publish a new video, get inspired by AI generators, generates powerful daily ideas based on your video history. Publish a video and come back for a personalized comment. So you can publish a video on your YouTube channel, and you're going to get some comments to our recommendations for you to change your YouTube video, make it like that or make it like this, based upon insight and based upon the AI generated content and what's happening around on the YouTube all over. So you can see, okay, so the keyword opportunities, let's say my keyword was cooking, that was the keyword that I used before. So I'm just gonna click on cooking, and I'm gonna see the overview of that as well. Okay, so the related keywords of the search volume for cooking is very high, and the competition is 95.88, which is also very high. Discover this keyword's audience size and how competitive it is very competitive. So the chances of me getting into the whole range of cooking is very bare minimum, because there are a lot of people also using that keyword, and they're also, the overall score is medium, that is 42, but you should get something like above 60. It will be good, it will be profitable, that you're going to make some money out of it. Otherwise it is very difficult for you to get into that competition. So let's see the cooking videos. I'm going to see this one, if it has some different insights than only cooking. The overall score for cooking videos is 385, which is very high, and the whole overall score is 37, which is like something that I shouldn't go for. I'm just gonna go on and see all of the related keywords that I have. Okay, so cooking videos is out of question, and all of the other cooking, how to cook, etc., they're also very out of the question. So I'm just going to add matching terms. Let's say if I get something in bad nibble slip cook. Okay, cookies videos, meme, never retire, etc., these are not something that I should have. And questions, let's see the questions. How to film cooking videos, this is not something profitable for me as well. So let's say I'm just going to add something different related to cooking. I'm going to add recipes. Okay, so I searched for keto right here, and as you can see, the medium overall score is 48. This competition is 74.15, which is also high but less than the ones that we had previously. And let's go on to keto diet, and let's see what's the competition for that. The competition for keto diet is 68.67. That is good to go, so you can go for a keto diet because people are searching for that, but the competition is not very high into this. So if you're into cooking, you should plan some nutritional meals for people so that you overall get the related keywords. You can add that as your keyword and you're good to go. You can add that your keto diet plan for weight loss. You can see all of these because their overall score is medium and the competition is not that much high for these, so there is a greater chance for you to show up when people search these keywords. So let's go on to daily ideas, which we don't have one. Let's go on to competitors. Okay, so in the competitor section, what you can do is basically you can add your channels that you follow that you think are basically your competitors. So what it's going to do is it is going to get the performance and the analytics of those channels as well, how they're performing, what are they adding, and how you can tackle that, and how you can help, how their content and their strategy can help you grow your channel. So it is not something to be ashamed of, because when you are into YouTube business, into video making, you get to see the competition around yourself, and you have to be aware of all of the time what your competitors are doing. And I think that is the healthy competition, that you work on yourself rather than trying to make gross comments on your competitors post. You see their work, you to see what they're doing, and you get their strategy and you apply them yourself onto your own in your own way, and you try to make your channel better by seeing them or by getting influenced by them. So it is all about that. So you can just go on and add channels. You can search for the channel that you want to add. Let's say I want to add the channel of Jamie Oliver as my competitor because he's also into cooking and he's a very famous cook, by the way. But just for the sake of it, let's say I want to add that into my reference channel. So Jamie Oliver 5.8. Okay, so this must be it. 5.8 million subscribers. So this is the channel that I want to add as my competition, and I want to see the insights of this channel, and so that I'm just gonna add it. I'm gonna wait until it does load. Okay, so here you can see I added the Jamie Oliver as my competitor, and now I'm going to see the total views are 880 million, subscribers 5.8 million, 7 days 0.1%. It has upgraded. 0.0 are the subscribers. In the last 14 days views has gone up at 0.3%, and the subscribers haven't gone are still, and in the last 28 days the views have gone up to 0.6%. So you can see the recent videos right here, what is happening in the Jamie Oliver's channel. So you can basically go on and add more competitors for yourself. For example, I want to add Uncle Roger as well as my competitor. I'm just gonna search for Uncle Roger. Okay, so this one is what I was looking for. Go down, click on add competitor, and there you go. This is also going to get in the competitors list, and here you can see now the 1.1 million average views per day and 137 videos per day. Okay, so this is the average of what's happening. The total of 753 million views Uncle Roger has, and in the last 28 days the views have gone up to 4.3%, and the subscribers have gone up to 3.3%. so it is going a very high pace. This channel is going very smoothly and very good. So you can see the views and the views per hour as well of that that channel, and when you click on these three dots, you're going to get view channel on YouTube, view video on YouTube, or remove this competitor by this option. And you can include my channel in the competitor list, or you can basically exclude your own channel from this analytics as well. So this is how you're gonna get. So this is basically your total cumulative. Pink one is Uncle Roger, the blue one is Jamie Oliver, and you don't have any data right here, so it is not even showing your bar. So this is how you can get your competitors. This is how you can search your keywords. You can see which one are good for you. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to Softwares Made Easy. Thank you.